Hello, everyone. I'm happy to welcome you all for this session. I'm Dr. Vinny, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Social Work, Kristu Jayanti College. Today, I'm going to highlight on the characteristics of social casework. The characteristics, which is mainly focusing on 10 major points. The first one is one-to-one relationship. The casework is involved the relationship between the client and the caseworker, and it is a one-to-one relationship needs to be established between these two. Second one is professional in nature. The relationship which is being developed by the client and the caseworker needs to focus on professionalism, and they should have a purpose, that is, it is purely the relationship is professional in nature. The third one is goal-oriented. The caseworker is always oriented towards their goal, and it is also oriented towards solving the problems of the clients, and this will help the client to develop or change in their personality, which is needed for the society. And the fourth one is process. The caseworker is always goal-oriented, and to attain goal, and the caseworker has to follow the definite process or methods for solving problems, like identification of problems, diagnosis of problems, and treatment. And the fifth point is involved that it should be a client-centered or client-focused. All the activities in casework should focus towards the client and client's development. The client-centered activities help the client to solve, to get rid of from his problem. And the moment we say social casework, it is an art as well as skill. The major skill which is involved in casework is problem solving. The caseworker should have the capacity to solve the problem of the client, and he should be in position to strengthen the client's capacities. The seventh one is practice in specific setting. The casework needs to be practiced in a specific setting or some special places like counseling center, juvenile home, hospitals, rehabilitation centers, and so on. And the next one is the caseworker and the client are always interdependent. In casework, the caseworker should help the client to solve problems, but without the client cooperation, the caseworker cannot have any existence. So their relationship is taken as two sides of the same coin, because without one, the existence of another is impossible. And the ninth one is improvement of condition. The caseworker should make an effort to bring changes in the client's life, focusing more on social, psychological, and emotional condition. And the last point is, that is proper use of tools and techniques. In social casework, there are tools available to focus on client's problem. The caseworker should have a required information about the client, and based on the client's problem, he should be in position to utilize the right tool and adopt a certain technique where the caseworker can bring changes in the client's behavior. This is all about the characteristics of social casework. Thank you so much for listening. I'll meet you in the next session.